I came to tell you, on the way of peace, where you need, for the day of, if you know, you'll get a better, but I got some more, you'll get a better, you need to wake up, and for God, at night, who's only one, who's in the book of the day, who's Sunday, oh no, enough, it's enough, hallelujah, enough, it's enough, come on to me, oh now I'm in my narrow, come on to me, oh now I'm in the graduation, come on to me, relax, I'm gonna see ya, oh now come on to me, because the devil is watching, what about la pena? What about socorro? What about la pena? What about my everyday? What about la pena? What about traditional devil fail? I came to prophesy in your spiritual life, in your financial life, in the life of God. What about the Mahaho? What about the Rega? What about the Mahaho? What about the Yama? La pena. Hallelujah. Every time God will look up, what's the man in your house? They will look at 40 years. They will look at 30 years. The whole family. I know Bogo. I know Nagamoholo. Enough is enough. Hallelujah.